Hi everyone, my session is about migrating SAP business objects to Power BI. I have worked with multiple migration projects for different customers. I'm going to share my experience and also help you to understand how you can approach the migration projects plus some of the best practices. About myself, I'm Hariharan. I'm a Microsoft MEP in data platform. I'm also a Microsoft certified trainer. I write articles about Power BI, Azure, SQL Server. You can check at dataip.org. I'm also running a YouTube channel called Hari's BI where I cover most of the Power BI related concepts. You can reach me through LinkedIn and Twitter. I have designed this whole session for both Power BI and SAP BO professionals. So in case if you are just a Power BI professional and you are involved in the SAP BO migration projects, so I'm going to cover the detailed explanation about SAP BO systems and how the semantic layer and the reporting layers are working in SAP BO systems. And I'm going to help you to match the SAP BO features to Power BI so that whenever you do your migration project, you can easily understand how those reports can be migrated to Power BI. Stay connected. Enjoy the Data Platform Summit.